My daughter,
Learn
these
how
beads
to
have
make this
danced through
video
3
with just your
generations.
phone
Today,
and 2 AI
they are
tools.
yours.
Oh, I haven't seen anything like this.
These coral beads saw my wedding and your mother's engagement ceremony.
I feel honored. Thank you, Mama. I'll treasure them.
Treasure must wear with pride. Beauty is meant to shine. Hold still, eh? These things have attitude.
Just like you.
Sax. Oh, sax. These beads.
See glow! Are you sure you're still human? Because you're... Don't say that, man. There's no blue horse in the time. The Republic is the one there. Oh, stop.
Say anything. Love, family, tradition. That's my granddaughter. Step like royalty.
With this love and these blessings, I feel unstoppable.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I made the video you just watched. I'll take you through the entire process: story outline, scene generation, character generation, and dialogue generation. I'll show you how I turned this image into this video and how I even generated the initial image. Now let's get started. Showing on the screen is my ideas fleshed out, so every instruction I need to input into ChatGPT has been written out for the grandma, for the granddaughter, and her friends. I'm asking it to create a scene for the grandma, the granddaughter, and the friends, and also to write prompts to generate images for each of the character and each of the scenes. This is a Nigerian Yoruba traditional wedding setting. I'll copy all the prompts and paste it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do all the necessary work. Now, as you can see, it has created prompts for the grandma's character, the granddaughter's character, and the other people in the story. This is a short story about the grandma giving her granddaughter some vintage beads on her wedding day. And then the next scene is the grandma wearing the beads for the granddaughter. Then the granddaughter shows off the beads to her friends. Then the final scene is the granddaughter and her friends dancing in a full Yoruba traditional regalia. So every scene has been created, and the prompts for each scene is generated. For good and high quality, consistent AI generated video, it is important that your prompt is detailed. Add every necessary detail to your prompt. If you want the background to be blue, add it. If you want the people wearing a particular type of headgear, add it. The format of the video or the image, add it. Add everything that is necessary. Next, we'll be asking it to generate dialogue for each scene so that we will use this in our video creation. The dialogue is the conversation between each characters. So scene 1, we can see what it gave for the grammar, and then the expressions and their body postures. You can see everything on the screen. So what we'll do later on is to just copy this and input it into the AI tool that we'll be using for our video generation. Looking at the script that it generated, I can even imagine the story. I can picture the story in my head already, and it looks so nice. It looks okay and relatable. The essence of asking ChatGPT to write the script for you is to make your work easier, and then make your work easier and faster. But if you can write the script by yourself, you can actually go ahead and write your script by yourself and then move it over to the AI video generator, and it will help you get what you need to get in case you are creating a very long story or you've written the story out. So this can also work. Next, go over to Google and search for Whisk AI. Then click on the first one that pops up. It will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Then follow the prompt and sign in. And once you are in, click on Enter Tool. When you click on enter tool, then you see this screen. The next thing is to click on the pen icon or the pencil icon and input your prompt in that box. So you go over to ChatGPT and copy the prompt and then paste it in that yellow box. Once you paste it, you click on generate and let Whisk do the magic. Now we have image for the grandma. Next, click on the plus icon to generate the next scene, to generate the next character. Then go over to ChatGPT and copy the prompt and paste it in the yellow box just like you did in the first image, and click on generate, and that's all. Repeat this process for everything and have all your images generated. Next, make sure you download all the images. Then, for us to start creating our scene, we need to deselect the characters and select those that are not needed. Now we need just the grandma and the granddaughter for the first scene. Now this is it. We copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it here, and it generated this first image for us. Here's the actual process. You go to ChatGPT, you copy the prompt, and you take it back to Whisk AI. There, you copy everything, you highlight everything, and then you paste the prompt, and you click on that arrow at the lower end and it generates your image for you. Here is an image of the grandma and the granddaughter. Make sure to click on that icon to download all of your images because you will need them later. Now we'll repeat the same process for every of the scene that we've created in this story. So you just copy from ChatGPT, bring it back here, and every image you need will be generated. While the images have been generated, since I've already told you the process to get your image generated, we can just talk about how high quality the images generated are. And then you see that from all the instructions at the beginning, it has the format of the image. So remember to add your format into your prompt. I also specifically asked for a pixel style. So pixel style is what was used in all the images. You can see that the grandma has gray hair, the beads stayed consistent. There were some variabilities in some of the images, but with consistency or repetition, if you keep giving it the prompt over and over and tweaking it, it will give you the perfect image that you want. But overall, the details are so on point. The color, texture, the attire, everything came out just right and perfect for a Nigerian Yoruba traditional wedding, and this is so perfect. So go on and download all your images, like I said, because you'll be needing them in the other tool. Our other tool for today is Grok Ai. Grok AI is a free AI generator tool which is readily available on your App Store or your Play Store, or you can choose to use Google Chrome and just use it from there. Once you sign in, you click on Imagine, and then add your image as an attachment, as you can see. Then go over to ChatGPT and copy the dialogue one by one. If you copy too much, the speech will get warped together, it will get mixed up. So one by one, input it, and this is what it will give you.
My daughter, these beads have danced through 3 generations. Today, they are yours.
Amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is. So this is just the process. You keep on copying each dialogue and you paste it in the Grok AI, and then it gives you what it needs to give you.
Oh, I haven't seen anything like this. These coral beads saw my wedding and your mother's engagement ceremony.
Importantly, if you have a choice of accents, for example, a Nigerian accent and an American accent, it should be added at the top of the prompt. Add it at the top of the prompt, the accent you want the voiceover to have, and it will generate that for you.
I feel honored. Thank you, Mama. I'll treasure them. Treasure must wear with pride. Beauty is meant to shine.
So we'll do this for every of the dialogue in this story. We generate everything. At the end of this video generation, I'll show you the tool I use to bring it all together into a one long video.
Still, these things have attitude, just like you.
So this is me just generating every of the other scenes in this story. So I made it 10x faster so that this video will not be long. Make sure to download all the videos generated, and now let's head over to the tool we'll be using for compiling everything today. Today I'll be using InShots, which is a free tool. There is a paid version, but I'll be using the free version. I will select a new video or new project, then select the videos that I need to edit, and then bring it to the timeline and do the necessary edits that I needed to do. You can add effects, you can add sticker, you can add music, you can add anything, even caption, but caption is not free on this tool, but you can do everything that CapCut can do on this video, and you can export for free. Exporting on CapCut, I don't think it's free anymore. So here I will have to delete this particular part of the video which is not accurate. You can cut, you can do anything. You can add transition or animation, which I'll be adding now into this particular video. Anything you want to do, you can do it with this tool. Here I'm testing different transition effects so that the story can translate from one aspect to another. In the beginning it's the background of the story, then later on you move to the point where they are dancing, celebrating. So I just needed an effect to show that this is before meeting after, and this is what I selected.
Are you sure you're still human? Because you're so say long now. Don't go do horse will be fine. The Republic is the one there. Oh, stop.
Without any doubt, the combination of Grok and Whisk AI is a powerful tool that can make magic happen for you. What I noticed is that you shouldn't generate too many videos per time. The quality of the voiceover goes down with multiple generation within a particular period. So you can space it out or use different accounts for that.
I feel unstoppable.
So that you can have the same voice, a consistent voice. You can notice there are some voices that weren't so okay. So that's that. Then you click on the export button, you select the quality you want, whether 2K resolution or 4K, but I'll be going with 720. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. You can comment below any topic you would like me to make a tutorial on. Thank you.